start cutting.
Stop by the park for a couple minutes.
Okay. Ready to go down in?
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, my friend from Australia wanted me to shoot some videos, some stuff of up here.
Oh.
So I can send it down to her.
Wanna go up on the bridge?
Yeah.
You want me to stop?
Yep.
Grandma, you gonna go up there?
Yeah, I've been up at the bridge in a while.
Dad, race you to the bridge.
Okay, go ahead.
I see some fish. There's a bunch over here, Daddy.
Is there?
Come here. See down there? See them?
Yep. And
Really big, Daddy.
yeah. Hi everybody, how are you? Yeah. Yay! I finally shooting some stuff of myself up here. Yeah, there's Lindsay girl, and that's me. We up north. It's a little park from us down the road. There's my mom.
Hello.
Lindsay, get in the back, please. Yeah, because I can give her view shots of the road and stuff.
When we stop, I get it all the way back home.
Alrighty.
The new.
There's an eagle.
Where?
Yep.
There.
Oh.
Yep. Just got our first glimpse of our first eagles up here. I've never seen eagles up in Michigan before, besides being
We have blue heron.
and blue herring up here, deer.
Pileated woodpeckers.
Yeah, woodpecker.
See, here's how they top these trees. See? You take the top off of them.
Yeah, ugly. What a beautiful day it turned out to be. Crow.
Look healthy. Glistening feathers and that. We've been in this land since 1966.
66?
I was just pregnant with you when Mother got up. You were born in 67. I think they bought fall of 66. And they were just starting to do a little bit with. And then this spring they were coming up all the time to
Really? Yeah,
clear
to
the
clean it up.
land.
Hi, everybody. There's Lindsay in the back. There's me. Hi. Hi. Up north, everybody. Say hi, little girl.
Hi.
Say hi, Mom.
Hi everyone. Just starting back.
Yep. 2-hour trip.
Are you gonna film the whole thing?
Don't know.
Oh, I don't think he's gonna film the whole thing. I'd be surprised. Turning on to Grove from Jose.
Jose, hey, amigo.
Jose jalapeno.
Jose is spelled J-O-S-E. Some people call it Josie, but it's Jose.
Jose jalapeno.
In your honesty.
What was that last one?
Jose jalapeno on his steak.
What does Alice do?
On a steak.
Chef Dunham.
He has a jalapeno named Jose.
See how thick it is over on this side? This is where they thinned it out. They had the
Clear
fire.
cut it.
They had the fire. Well, now this is thin. Maybe the fire came over there.
On the road in Arenac County, Michigan. Hate to leave. Probably back maybe next weekend. Who knows? I'm hoping. Knocking on wood. Hopefully everything goes right.
the old giant redwoods. I wonder if I saw them. Sorry. I'm talking over here.
Is that the tree cutting dude?
Huh?
Uh-oh.
I don't think so. I forgot to see how did they clean up all that.
Oh yeah, they did a good job with it.
Okay.
Yep, very thorough. There's a guy that's rolling his yard out. What the ideal for that is, I have no idea what it does to the grass.
Well, it evens out the land, so there aren't so many dips. People used to do that in the fall, in the winter, and the spring.
No, just rusted, just a little tired. But
Maybe you can have a steak. Is that what you want?
oh yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna have to eat.
Or you guys want to go somewhere? I always go there. I like their salad bar.
Coming up here is a little farm. We used to buy back in the day.
Centennial Farm.
We used to buy our eggs from here.
Three sisters. I think that was their homestead.
Daddy, did you film Three Sisters?
Yep. Here's the high school. Standish Australian. They have a little baseball game today. Beautiful day for a baseball game. A little cold though, but it's nice out today. Got our jackets off
At
and
least the sun's shining.
don't know what it's like downstate, but
It's raining.
Is it?
9%.
Looked like Bob and Margaret were going to still be there a day or so.
there's the middle school.
That's the grade school.
That's middle school there. Used to be the old high school way back in the day. Coming up into the town of Standish.
One of your favorite stops.
One of my favorite places to eat ice cream is just right around the corner. My gosh, it's a great place to eat. Have a good ice cream cone when it's hot. My grandparents used to bring us down here. This little Tasty Freeze here. That's right here. That's Tasty's. Yep. You see how busy it is.
How many cars are there?
You see how busy that little place is. Place is a madhouse every weekend.
I'm gonna get some gas in there.
Yep.